Hi, third grade, welcome. This is the choreography video for Birds. Don't tell the other grades, but I still think it's my favorite song. And remember, there's two parts, so really think about whether you're singing the words or birds first or second. Here we go.